TURNKEEN Jeep Wrangler Sidebar Installation Guide. Take the right side as an example. Remove the bottom screws where the original sidebar attaches, and side nuts. Remove the original sidebar. Remove the two nuts at this position. Install the middle bracket. Insert flat washers and spring washers, and tighten the nuts. Insert bolts from this position. Insert bolts into the front bracket from this position. Place the front bracket. Attach washers and nuts. Washers are needed for the screws at this position. Place washers and spring washers and tighten the nuts. Adjust the position and temporarily tighten. Insert the bolt with a guide wire into the lower side at the rear position. Install the rear bracket. Insert washers and spring washers and attach nuts. Insert the bolt with a guide wire through this hole. Move to this position. Place a washer and tighten the nut. Install the sidebar light at this position, requiring flat washers and spring washers. Repeat for the other side. After adjusting the bracket position, install the TURNKEEN sidebar. Insert flat washers and spring washers into the screws and temporarily tighten. Next, install the nameplate. Tighten the screws. To make the sidebar light turn on/off with the door, strip the red and white live wires of the sidebar light. Connect them to the yellow and blue wires inside the door pillar. Connect the black neutral wire to the black wire at the bottom of the seat. To connect the fog light, strip the wire and connect it to the front bar position. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing TURNKEEN.